Welcome, little kids. Do you know why broccoli is super duper healthy veggie? Let's find out and meet our healthy, colorful veggies. Today, we are going to learn these many super tasty, healthy vegetables. So let's go. It's veggie time.
Dun dun dun! Here comes Broccoli, the green hero. Hi kids, I'm Broccoli, the strong tree. I help you grow tall and smart, and I love jumping into your tummy. And now let's spell my name together. B-R-O-C-C-O-L-I. Can you say broccoli power? Repeat with me. Broccoli power.
Hello, friends. I'm Turnip. I grow under the ground. I'm purple and white and round. Let's spell it. T-U-R-N-I-P. Turnip. Yippee! Let's shout it again. T-U-R-N-I-P. Turnip.
Hey, little kids! I am Red Pepper. I'm shiny, juicy, and red. I love to dance in your salad. Now spell it with me. R-E-D. P-E-P-T-E-R. Red Pepper! Woohoo! Say it loud. R-E-D-P-E-P-P-E-R. Red pepper.
Hi, kids. I'm Spinach. I'm green and strong. I help you grow big and smart. Let's spell together. S-P-I-N-A-C-H. Spinach! Yeah! Say it again. S-P-I-N-A-C-H. Spinach! Woohoo!
Hi, little stars. I'm Lettuce. I'm fresh, I'm crunchy, and I'm cool. I make your salad taste so yummy. Let's spell my name. L-E-T-T-U-C-E. Lettuce. Yippee! One more time. L-E-T-T-U-C-E. Lettuce.
Woohoo! I'm Chili Pepper. I'm hot. I'm spicy. Can you say whoa? Let's spell it out. C-H-I-L-I-P-E-P-P-E-R. Chili Pepper. Say it louder. C-H-I-L-I-P-E-P-E-R. Chili Pepper. Woohoo!
Hi there. I'm Mint. I smell so cool, so fresh, so nice. Yum, yum, yum. Minty surprise. Let's spell it together. M-I-N-T. Mint. Wow. Easy peasy. Say it again. M-I-N-T. T. Mint.
Hi, kids. I'm raw banana. I'm green, not sweet, but oh so tasty. Cook me, fry me, yum, yum, yum. Let's spell it. R-A-W-B. A-N-A-N-A. Raw banana. Yay! Say it again. R-A-W-B-A-N-A-N-A. Raw banana. Woo!
Hey, hey, little stars, I'm Sweet Potato. Soft, orange, and sweet to eat. Wow! I give you energy. Let's spell it. S-W-E-T-P-O-T-O-T-O. Sweet potato! Yay! Once more. S-W-E-T-P-O-T-A-T-O. Sweet potato! Yay!
Hey, hey, kids, I'm Beetroot. I'm red, round, and super cool. I make your juice pink. Wow! Let's spell it. B-E-E-T. R-O-O-T. Beetroot. Yay! Say it louder. B-E-E-T. R-O-O-T. Beetroot.
Hey, friends, I'm corn. I'm yellow. I'm sweet. I'm fun. Pop me, boil me, yum, yum, yum. Let's spell it. C-O-R-N, corn. Yippee! Say it again. C-O-R-N, corn.
Woohoo! I'm Asparagus. I'm tall, green, and full of goodness. Wow! Let's spell my name. It's long but fun. A-S-P-A-R-A-G-U-S. Asparagus. Say it again. Come on. A-S-P-A-R-A-G-U-S. Asparagus.
Wow, 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 kids. You did it. You met all the veggies and learned to spell their names. Yay! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Till then, toodles!